can see, I've got another e-bike to review. Let's open it up, put it together in time lapse, and I'll show you what this bike is. So there we go. This is the HITWAY 750 watt hub motor electric folding bike. This is the BK10M model. This thing folds all the way, folds in half, and the handlebars come down, and the seat comes down. Completely compact if you need to take it on the bus or the train. This has Shimano Tourney TZ derailleur with a 7-speed Shimano shifter, mechanical front and rear disc brakes, contoured saddle, along with a wonderful cargo rack and kickstand. This is considered a fat tire bike because it has 20 by 4-inch wide tires. Got a set of keys. So to unlock your bike, its keyhole is located under here. Simply place the key underneath and turn it. Then press power for 3 seconds. Then it turns on, and here you'll have your speed indicator in miles per hour, the level of assist, your battery power. You can see it's fully charged with all bars, and your odometer. Because it's a new e-bike, it has no miles recorded. You can switch to pedal assist levels 1, 2, and 3, or decrease, or no pedal assist at all. You can see it has rubber contoured grips with your mechanical brakes for the left, which is front. Has a little bell that you needed to attach. Over here, the neck can be disengaged, so you can position your bars. And it features a quarter turn throttle, just like a motorcycle. This bike also features a 4 LED bulb light. Simply turn it on by pressing the plus sign for 3 seconds, and you'll see the light indicator. And it also has tail lights at the same time. When you push on the brake, you have brake lights. Shifting gears. As I said, you can completely fold this bike. Opening this lever here, lifting up, and cracking it open. You can also fold your pedals and lower your neck. Turning it into fully compact mode. Now that you're off the train or the bus, simply put it back. To charge your battery away from the bike, simply turn your key to unlock it, remove the key, and your battery slides right out. This is a 48 volt by 12 amps per hour battery. Put it back in, slide it in. And now you're ready to ride again. So it came with a 2 amp per hour charger. It came with a cool bicycle pump, a 16-in-1 tool. It also came with a bicycle lock. But if you wanted to make sure your bike was nice and tight, you definitely needed a knife to open the box, a screwdriver to pry it open, electric screwdriver to help you do it faster, some wrenches to hold the nuts. For your pedals, you had to put it on tight. You needed your own wrench, wire cutters to cut your zip ties. My tire was completely flat, so I had to inflate it to 15 psi. Also, the hex wrenches they gave you weren't good enough, so you had to use your own. Now I made sure every bolt is tight. You gotta make sure it's tight.
That's what she said.
All right, what do you think? We should go for a ride now, huh?
I'm Andy from Jericho.
See you guys next time on Motors and Blowers.